Okay, our next step is going to be to clean this piece of wood where we've cut the patch out. It has to be very, very clean, and it has to be especially clean around the edges. So I'm going to take my little pointy knife and go inside the edge very carefully and cut little fibers and little chunks of glue and debris and just cut around and clean out around this edge. Then I'll take a chisel and go over the interior of the patch, making sure I get off all the old glue and get down to bare wood. Come back with the chisel just very gently. You don't want to lift up the veneer that surrounds this, or you're going to have to make another patch. So be very careful about this. Sometimes I like to take the chisel and pull it instead of pushing it. Kind of use it like a pencil and clean, clean, clean. So we have this all nice and clean now. And now we're going to install the patch, and this time I'm going to use super glue.